So today I'm going to be vlogging. We are having a little bit of a family day. So first up, I'll be heading into Dior just to check out their new range, whilst the kids actually want to do a little bit of shopping on their own. Then we are going to head to a cat cafe. Whilst hubby and I were in Korea, Mrs. saw that we went to a cat cafe, so she wanted to check out one too. And I didn't even realize that Melbourne had a cat cafe. Sunshine's been there, but we haven't been, so we thought it might be fun. And then we are going to head off to one of our favorite restaurants, so I'm really looking forward to this. So I will vlog more in Dior when I get there. Okay, so this is the new Winter Garden range. I am seriously loving the DJoy more and more. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea because not everyone likes the east-west shape, but I do. So you've got it in the white, you've got it in the new sage green, and then check this out. So this is, I think my essay was saying that it's the first time they've had something, it kind of looks like caviar, doesn't it? But it is a grained leather, Dior's version, I guess, of caviar. And in this horizon blue, I love it with the enamel buckle. Now I don't have the small, so this I just adore. And then this is the medium in the sage green. I'm gonna just try this small on and see what this looks like. Cute. How cute is this? And then this is the mini Lady Dior. It's part of the Lucky collection. So if you love stars, this is very fun. I still think I prefer the other horizon blue a bit more. And this is a new silhouette. It's called the Nomad Pouch. So this is a little mini size and it comes in the medium. Not sure how I feel about this. I mean, it's quite cute. The hobo shape is, you know, classic. But yeah, I kind of wish it came with a longer shoulder strap. Obviously, they've got the D-ring, so you can put any strap you want. But yeah, I feel like it's only can be used on the crook of your arm. I mean, you can wear it as a hobo, but yeah, you would need to attach your own chain to make it a crossbody. So not sure how I feel about this one, honestly, guys. Also, this is new for the winter collection, and it is the mini D-Light. So previously, you know, the D-Light only came in the medium size. It does come in the mini size as well. So, you know, the houndstooth is classic. I'd like to see it in other prints. I think it did come in the Toile de Joie as well. Okay, so yeah, it's the same size as the mini Lady Dior. Actually, it is actually pretty cute. I just want to wait to see what other prints come in, I think. I mean, houndstooth is classic, but I think I prefer other prints. So this is also a new bag. It's the 30 Montane. And then
this one, it has the top handle.
It's got the top.
Removable. And then they do come with the long chain, so you can wear this crossbody, or you can double handle it. Now this one is in the.
Do you want to give it a little modeling shot? This is my fabulous essay, Sun. Go see Sun.
Hi everyone. So you can top handle like this. Then you can just also do the crossbody as well. It's quite nicely.
Yeah.
And then for the opening, so
Let's see
the
how you
ruthenium clasp.
Yes.
You just pull it like this.
I like the clasp.
Yeah. And this is very, very reminiscent of our previous style, the Diorama by Raf Simons.
Yes,
So,
it does give me that vibe.
Yeah, that vibe.
And then the darker ruthenium hardware too.
Yes, and also at the back it does have our 30 Montane, which is the avenue in Paris where the house was founded. So it's like an homage to that.
I love me a back pocket, and then it obviously comes in the teensy mini size as well.
Yeah, this one is in the box size.
Oh, in the box size, yeah.
So very cute.
Very cute. Does it fit a phone?
It can fit a normal iPhone. Like I have one here.
Let's see. Oh, okay.
This one does
We always
have
need to do the phone test.
Yeah. One of the top ones. Yes.
Cool. So here we go. Here are the new book totes, the Winter Garden large book tote, which is stunning. Now this does come in the medium size as well, but I think the colorway is a little bit different. This is fabulous. I love shearling, but I own a big one already, so it is, I wish it came in the medium size. So I do love the big sizes. I owned the first one when it very first came out. But if you don't own a big one and you love shearling, this is fabulous. Here are some of the Caros. More of the D-Joys. So you've got the ruthenium hardware. I do prefer the palladium or the gold hardware, not the darker one on these. Exotics, which are divine but super expensive. And some of the SLGs. So this is a new one in the small size. It's in the macrame, which hubby says that looks like a doily, so that's a thumbs down for hubby. But I like it that it kind of looks like a lace book tote, but it would be probably a little bit more difficult to keep clean. And then it does come in the D-Light version as well, which, you know, it looks like lace. Let's have a look. So those are the two side by side. Yeah, not bad. I don't know if I love it, but I quite like it. Some different fabrications in the Caro, that's just the normal one. But yeah, the houndstooth is new. This is also new for Dior, which is like a vanity lunchbox sort of style. Comes with the chain as well, and to open it up, we'll get Sun to open it up. And inside, yeah, it's just got a
Card compartments in here, and also, oh, this is blank.
This is blank.
And then it has a macro panache, which is very puffy.
Yeah, it is. Actually, this one is super puffy.
Yeah, most of the puffy macro panache, they are like that, they're all like padded.
Padded, okay. Extra padding.
Extra padding, yes.
Okay, not sure if I love this, because you guys know I didn't even really like the Chanel Vanity. Not saying when comparing, but if you like it, this is an option and it's much cheaper.
Yes.
Okay, not often do you get to see a Himalayan crocodile mini saddlebag. How pretty is that? So there's more colours that have come out in the small. This is from the previous collection though, but yeah, what do you think? I think I like it in the brighter pink. It comes in a really bright orange. You guys know I've been obsessed with the orange, but it only comes in the medium book tote. What do you think, Hubs? He's not a fan.
Not my fave.
Not your fave. Okay, let's take a look at some of the shoes. That's very different. Loafers are definitely a huge trend in winter. We've got, oh, maybe the macrame or macrame is nicer in the slingback. Oh, these are new, square toe pumps. Ooh, these are very different, very high fashion. Can't say I love those, but you know, Dior sneakers are very cool as well. And then we've got some of the slides, the new collection. They've just got on the sole the gorgeous print. And then this is just some of the classics. And then we've got the boots here. some of the ready-to-wear pieces. So you've got heavier fabrics. This is like a denim. And then you've got this jacket. I own this actually in the cropped version, and the skirt, which I love. Jacket. Oh, look at this one. It's a mixture of shearling, cropped jacket. Actually, I really like that. Jumper. Got the classic bar jacket. Ooh, this fur situation. You're scared to see the price. No, I can't see the price on that, guys. And then, yeah, just some of the more classic neutral tones. But yes, see this design with the bird. Is it a phoenix? Might not be a phoenix. But yeah, that's part of the winter garden. And look at this puffer dress jacket.
Gown.
Gown. Oh yeah, it's like a puffer gown, isn't it?
This is very warm because it's duck feathers inside. Yeah, very padded. And that does have the little
It's like a
labeling
quilt.
here.
It's like a quilt.
And then we have the winter garden like shirt as well, which has been quite popular.
Yes.
You can tuck this in at the back.
That's like
A phoenix.
It is.
Yeah.
Okay, I said it was it a phoenix? I wasn't sure.
And then you got those details at the back, the branch. Yes.
Very beautiful.
This one's a bit risque, but it's a full leather skirt.
Oh,
This
yes.
one, but with the laser cut.
Yes.
With the calfskin leather. So
You've got like
classic-
the bar jacket, but in knitwear. And
This is
what
mohair.
is this?
Mohair. Long coat. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's maxi. That's like full length.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you've
Got
got
our
some
two skirts.
your chill skirts, and then you've got this.
The canage.
The canage
wrap,
one.
Yes.
Cute. Now I have to show you a very special Lady Dior. This is in the small size. How gorgeous is this? So it is in satin, but it's got all the beaded sort of AB crystals. Inside's all in satin. It is a very special, beautiful piece. So I like this. It's like a trench dress, but this jacket you can actually take off, and then it's just sleeveless. You could wear a t-shirt or a long sleeve. So much more versatile. Yeah, it's nice. This little grey knit is super cute. It's got all the embroidered winter garden. The neckline is a little bit different, sort of like a boat neck, but it sort of comes up here. Sort of like loose here, but tight on the arms. And then the back's also got all the detail there.
'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game?
So I really love the D-Joy in the Horizon Blue. This is what it looks like on the shoulder. And then this is the small Lady Dior, which I showed you before, but in that new sort of caviar leather. The strap is different to that of the ABC Dior as well. And that is what that looks like. So this is the Lady Dior in the small crossbody in like the caviar. And then this side is the D-Joy. Both in the Horizon Blue. I do love both of them.
'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes.
So this is a full-grown ragdoll. This is Nina. This one's a little tabby. Hey darling, this one's got green eyes. This one's a little black one. See, he's hungry. Oh, she's hungry. Okay, so we're in the restaurant now. With entrees, we've got the kingfish carpaccio and also the octopus. Okay, let's try it.
So now we have the pasta. We have the agnolotti with, I think it's rabbit and sage with burnt butter, and the spaghetti with the smeta crab. I know this one's great because we've had it before. Let's dig in. Okay, so this is one of their signature dishes, which is the goat with peas. And over here, I think it's the spatchcock. Looks like there's some silver beet on top and some kipling potatoes as well.
So it's time for dessert, and we've got the panna cotta and the tiramisu. So Mrs., do you want to take the first bite of the tiramisu? Tell us what you think. All the way down. Is it good? It's good. It's good. So I thought I would unbox what was in the smaller bag because this is super special. I did not expect it. It's from my amazing SA Sun. So let me show you what this is. And look at this print. I love it. So this is the Winter Garden print. Dun, 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 dun. Wow. So here, there is, oh my goodness. So these contain little, oh my gosh, moon cakes. So this is for Mid-Autumn Festival, and these moon cakes are eaten during this time. Usually they're filled with like lotus or sweet red bean. Oh, how do you? And then there's another one in here, and then, yes, another one in here. And all of them have, yeah, the little moon cakes. Cannot wait to try these. I love moon cakes. So the Mid-Autumn Festival starts 10th of September. So that's another reason why I wanted to unbox this, because we want to eat it. And let's see. Oh, okay, more moon cakes. So another 3 more moon cakes here. And I'm thinking it's the same. Yes, so I don't know if they're all different flavors or not. And how gorgeous is that? Thank you so much, Dior and Sun. I love them. We are going to eat them up right now.